wicked though. Oh, there we go. Here's another one. Here's another one. Oh. Get your ass up here. All right, you guys. Let's see if we can get some fishing done today again. Today we're gonna be renegades. Whoa. This is probably not a smart idea. No. Yeah, I don't want to fall in the water this early. Oh, damn it. Let's go. Make sure my drain plug's hooked. That's a plane. Nah, you gotta be alert though.
I'm like, I got PTSD, man.
Ah, they're back. Let's do some power fishing. Start off the morning with the jerk bait. I don't know about you guys, but I like starting the morning jerking it real quick. This is how I like to start the morning. You know, give it a quick jerk. You're never too old to jerk it real quick. You never know what you're gonna get. You want to jerk right there? Go ahead, jerk, man. The best time to jerk is in the morning. Ah, why we cast at the same spot? Damn, bro, you already know that's where they're at, huh? Bro, our freaking lures fell like within a foot of each other. Oh yeah, but I'm gonna get that other cast right there. That's where it's gonna be at right there. He was swimming away though. I scared him off from the weeds somewhere. Oh dang it, he was swimming away though. Ooh. There we go. Get your ass up here. There we go. First one of the day. I picked it up and ran with it. Pretty crazy. Little guy. All right, let's see if we can get another one right here. There's a nice lay down right here. I think I do need to tighten my drag up a little more, because even that little guy was pulling too much drag for my liking. We shall see. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at him like a pro. He's all silent and everything. Yes, sir. No pressure, Julian. You're the only one, Morrow. Gotta get on that board. No pressure. It's all good. The pressure is real, dude. All right, it's about 11 o'clock, 10:49. It's already 79 degrees, and it's only 11 o'clock. Let's see if we get another fish here. We got a little dink earlier. We're throwing that skirted double hula grub. Just flipping into all this cover here. See if we could get a fish. There's all kinds of cover right here. There has to be a fish here. Oh, he's on! He's on. He's on a good one. You need net. Ooh, that's a good one. That's what I'm talking about, my boy. That's what I'm talking about, my boy.
As soon as it hit the water, dude.
For real?
For real. As soon as it hit the water.
Yes, sir. One more to the collection, my friend. Let's go, T-Man. Oh, he came off. He came off. Oh, he just came off. I didn't even have my GoPro on. Oh. Oh my goodness. Whoa, what's wrong with your eye, little buddy? Look at this. Haha. Look at that. Spinner bait. Spotted. Holy. Oh man, I love me a spinner bait. Oh my god. Fuck, dude, that was awesome. Oh, I didn't have my GoPro on, dude. Oh my gosh, that fish was crazy. No, I didn't have my GoPro on. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, that was wicked though. Oh, there we go. Here's another one. Here's another one. Oh, 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 get your ass up here. Oh my god, here's another one. Holy crap. Oh. Oh my gosh. Heck yeah. Look at how bad he tore that up. Sorry, little buddy. Whoa there, whoa there, whoa there. All right, what's going on, you guys? Here, quick update. It's about 1 o'clock. It's 1:03. It's getting pretty hot. It's 89 degrees. So I'm trying to find a spot here along the bank with some nice shade. Do a catch and cook. So I'm on my third fish. I just got 2 back to back. My boy T here, TNT9 Fishing, found the pattern. Pretty much it's just a spinnerbait, wide and chartreuse. I myself am using a Booyah Colorado Willow Blade chartreuse, 3/8 of an ounce, and I pretty much throwing against close as I can to the cover. I got like a 2-pounder, then after that I got like a 1.5 pounder. So it's pretty much the only established pattern out here so far. And like I said, we're out here trying to look for a spot to get some lunch, man, because it's about lunchtime. You guys stay tuned.
Oh shit, I'm on. What the fuck?
Y'all look like $500,000 worth of heroin when she look at me. But you ain't gotta fuck with me, my nigga. But you stuck with me. But how you call the cops on me, my nigga? You grew up with me. I don't usually do this less I'm
There we go. Oh, this is a good one. Oh my gosh, this is a good one. There we go. Oh, this is a good one. Oh my gosh, this is a good one. Oh no. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that was a good one. Oh my God.
I don't usually do this less I'm drunk or I'm high.
Bro, that was a giant one. All right, guys, so we pulled over here to a nice shady spot. Got my brother right here. You know, beautiful spot here. We're kind of, we set up shop here. My brother T-Man here filleted all the fish. And then I got the stove set up. We're gonna go ahead and set up everything here for the catch and cook. Go ahead and comment down below. What kind of video do you guys want to see? You guys want to see some camping videos, more catch and cooks? You guys want to see some catfishing videos, carp videos? Comment down below. I'll do my best to get to you guys' comments. All right, so we got our fish all diced up here. We got our stove on with our skillet here. Put some oil in here. A whole bunch of oil. Basically, we're gonna get some sriracha. Throw some in there. And then we're gonna throw our fish pretty much just in there. Hit it with some more sriracha up on top. We're gonna hit the cover, shake it up. All right, we're shaking it up here. So here's our fish covered in that sriracha sauce. We're just gonna roll it on top of some flour with some cornstarch. And then of course we have our seasonings mixed in here with this flour. We come and we drop it in our oil here. Yes, sir. Smells great. Out here, just resting, catching some shade, vibing. Let's go. This is the last of the fish here that we're cooking. Got the rest of it in there. We cooked a lot of fish. Dang, we might even take some home. Who knows? We are pretty hungry. We'll see. All right, so we're pretty much wrapping up here with cooking this fish here. These are the last bits here. We're gonna go ahead and cook this jasmine rice. It's ready in 90 seconds. Let's see if that's true. It's been sitting cool in my fridge here, so let's go. All right, man, let's get this jasmine rice in there. 60-second rice. Whoa. Ow, ow, ow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Ah. Oh my God. All right, we got the beans here. We got the rice.
It's a water starter.
We got the fish here, and now we're cooking. All right, so we packed everything up. We had lunch, or more like dinner. It was like 5 o'clock.